going on, guys? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, and today we have a pretty interesting video. You know, I'm not really a fan of Jordan 5s that much, but I do like these. All right, these are the Jordan 5 light aqua or aqua. I don't know which one they're going with, but it is the aqua colorway, and everybody knows about the Jordan 8 aqua colorway. This is a little bit of a spin on that. Definitely cool, and these glow in the dark as well. I did not know that until I turned the light off earlier, so that's pretty cool. Nice little spin on an aqua colorway. I think these are set to release January 21st, 2023, so that's going to be creeping up on us pretty quickly. So make sure you guys have your money ready if you want to get these joints. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your friends and family, all that good stuff. It really helps the channel grow. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. You'll see the Reels page. It's pretty cool. Got some shoes up there that you may have seen me review, some that you may not have seen me review. Go ahead and check that out, and make sure you guys follow us down in that Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Make sure you guys follow us there. We have a good community. We like to help people find shoes, you know, where to cops, all that other stuff. Make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The link is in the description. So Jordan 5 Aquas, these are clean. I really like these joints, and we're gonna jump right into it. The first thing I saw with this shoe that really stood out to me was the suede. Now, I don't know if the suede is going to be like this. This is the same suede material that's on that Hyper Royal 5 that recently came out. It's kind of long-haired, little hairy, a little bit of transition to these joints, but it has a nice quality texture to the suede. It's really nice. So we have that black suede all over the upper, and it is, I'm telling y'all, it's nice. It's nice suede. I mean, you're not gonna see a lot of transition. I don't think on the Hyper Royals that shoe had a lot of transition either, but this pair specifically has a really nice heavy suede on here, and you can see a little bit of transition right there, but nothing crazy. So we still have our translucent cage right here. We have black eyelets right here on the shoe, which I do like. I think that's pretty cool. It really does look like a black metallic colorway. It's very similar, pretty close despite the colors, but it's definitely close. It really does kind of look like that, but you know, you got your hints of aqua on there in the yellow. Toe box shape, very nice. I was impressed with the toe box shape. I thought that was really good. I do love how that is curved there. Very nice shape on that toe box. There's a little bit of that suede material. You guys can see me brushing that back and forth right there. So you definitely get some good transition with these. Our shark teeth right here, we have yellow, and it's kind of got that speckle in it where you would see on the black metallics, and that's pretty cool. A little bit of paint down in here, but not too bad. That's okay. We still have that black midsole right there, which looks good. Our pods that are normally translucent are blue, and this kind of reminds me of that gamma blue. It really does kind of look like a gamma blue Jordan 5. So I'm surprised they called it aqua and not gamma, but I can go with it. There's our air unit right there. Here is the outsole of the sneaker. The outsole of the sneaker is amazing, and this outsole does glow in the dark. It's nice. I do see a little bit of glue like where they put the shoe together right here, but that doesn't bother me. That's okay. Heel of the sneaker, we have our Jumpman right here. He's stitched okay, not too bad. I'm actually satisfied with that. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty good. Nothing to complain about there. I think the paint job is actually decent. We got black shoelaces going up the shoe right here over that cage, which looks really nice. Our pull tab right here is translucent, and I do like that they put that aquamarine color right there with that yellow Jumpman. That's pretty nice. Tongue of the sneaker stitched very well. It is nice and puffy, so it's not too bad. And then you can still get that 3M on the tongue right there. Behind the tongue, we have our Air Jordan. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints. Insole of the sneaker is black, and then you have that almost gamma blue Jumpman right there. So I think that looks pretty cool. And it is a Dream Cell insole, so you know you're gonna have some pretty decent comfort with these. So overall, I'm really liking this shoe. I really am feeling these. I like the suede on here. I do like the colors. I like the gamma kind of play off with the aqua situation going on. I really do like that. And it glows in the dark, so you can't go wrong with it. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a solid 8.5. I'm not a big Jordan 5 fan, but this color, I can see myself wearing these. I can see myself wearing these joints. These are really nice. For construction of materials, a little bit of glue stain, so nothing too crazy. The paint was good. The stitching was pretty good. And under the black light, I did not see any errors or flaws on the shoe, so I'm gonna go with a solid 8 because I saw those glue stains on the bottom of the outsole. Other than that, the shoe is amazing. So I hope this review is informative for you. I hope you guys go get your shoes by any means. You know, January 21st, these joints come out, so hit us up in the Discord if you need some help. That's all I got for this one. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next review. All right, peace.